you could create a full website. Yep, a real one with your own branding, links, products, and a whole lot more, all for free and in under 30 minutes. Sounds too easy, right? Well, today I'm reviewing Card.co, the one-page website builder that creators everywhere are sleeping on. Let's see if it's simple, stunning, or just meh. Hey there, I'm Caitlin, and this is GBRLIFE Reviews, your go-to for content tools, creator platforms, and honest takes. If you're building your own empire like I am, hit that subscribe button because I've got reviews coming every week. Now let's get into Card right after my quick intro.
Capture tales in text, it's a written quest. Life's pages turn our treasure chest. Ink spills truth, not a bit less. Our blood shines where the heart confess. Yeah, so that was fun. The motherhood maze, balancing acts in the life square ballet. Stay engaged.
So what is Card.co? It's a one-page website builder that's ridiculously simple. And what do I mean by it's so simple? I mean that in the best possible way. Here's what caught my eye right off the bat. There's no account to set up. You can literally just build your page before even signing anything up. There's clean templates. So whether you're showcasing a digital product, linking your content, building a personal brand, or just creating a sleek contact page, there's a layout for you. There's a drag and drop editing feature. So basically there's no coding, no headaches, and you can drag text, images, links, buttons, whatever you want and rearrange them with ease. And then there's mobile optimization. So it looks good on a desktop, but it also looks good on a phone without you actually having to make that happen. And then it's customizable because you can change the fonts, the colors, the spacing, the backgrounds, and a whole lot more without needing to upgrade immediately. Here, let me show you what I mean. This right here is the front page of Card. You can see that they immediately show you what Card can do. Here's where you actually would start. You would go over to the section, or let's go to the starting point, the true starting point, and you could choose a template based off of what it is that you need. And say you need something in particular, remember right here, it shows you profile, landing, form, portfolio, or section. The other option is just a blank page. From here, you just select plus and you start adding in all the things that you could possibly want and need. And you can check to see if it works on mobile and save it as is. Before you were to publish though, it would require that you would go ahead and add in your account information, which makes sense. You are now creating a website, so they would eventually need your information. And if you were to select over here, you can also start the whole thing over. Of course, replacing your background, pages, you've got instructions, shortcuts, documentation. But let's go back real quick to some of these starting points, because I think that these are a great idea to look at, because you can look at these first and use this as that demo to give you an idea of what you can do, and either go for that blank page or you go directly to this and go ahead and use this as a template and simply replace the photo here and the information here. But let's check out this one. This one right here. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked on it like this is the one I'm going to go ahead and use. And you see that automatically it's telling me, okay, do you want to go ahead and replace this information right here? So you choose how you want your adventure to go. And this is also great for those link in bios. Here's a good example of a link in bio page that was made based off of what this person decided they needed. You have all your icons for your social media links. You have the options to add documents, contact in multiple ways. This is a very easy method to create a basic website without having to really do too much on your end. But this is very, very basic. That's it. That's Card. And that's the reason why many people are traveling over here. With all of these options, I'm going to add one more thing and say you can see right here, it does tell you what is premium, like what you need to pay for, and what is not. So something like this, free. Something like this, premium, you'd have to pay for it. But let's talk price. Let's see what this actually costs. So here are all of the plans. You've got Pro Lite, Pro Standard, and Pro Plus. But then there's also free. What you saw me working with initially was free. You can build and publish one fully functioning site with card. Of course, it's going to have the card branding. I think anybody who knows anything about free means you know they always brand whatever it is that you're utilizing for free. And now those pro plans. This one starts at just $9 a year, but you can do 3 sites on one single account. You've got premium URLs, no branding. Yay, only for $9 a year. That's not a typo, a year. High quality images, which means that they allow you to use their stock of images, video uploads, slideshows, site icons, images that can be shared, QR codes, site transfers, and sharing in general. Then you've got Pro Standard. That one is $20 a year, and you get 10 sites plus everything else that was already mentioned, including forms, widgets, and embedding Google Analytics, meta tags, and local fonts. This one right off the bat is already saying you should definitely go for at least this if you were planning on paying. You want those forms, you want those widgets, you want to be able to embed. This one is great, plus a QR code. And then you have Pro Plus, and this one starts at $50 a year. But this one you get 25 sites. Custom domain URLs, just as the other ones mentioned, paying for it, but you also get advanced forms. You also get advanced settings. You can download sites, redirect, password protection, variables like inserting dynamic content into supported elements, site files, you can update frequency, and it looks like you have the ability to do the canonical URL. So these are your options. Again, it's pretty cheap. You're talking about yearly cost at starting at $9, $19, and $49. Not so bad. So in my ominous form, with the light coming into my eyes, let's discuss, is card worth it? Yes. If you're a creator, freelancer, or business owner who needs a clean, fast, affordable web presence, card is a no-brainer. But if you're trying to build a multi-page site with e-commerce, memberships, or blogs, this won't be your long-term solution. Really, it's a powerful landing page, not a full-scale site builder like Squarespace or Shopify. So let's discuss the GBRLIFE rating. GBRLIFE rating for this, I'm giving card a solid 4.5 out of 5. It's gorgeous, flexible, and shockingly affordable. The only reason I'm not giving it a full 5 is because it's limited to one page. If this ever grows, this could work for a lot more people, but it's not going to work for everybody. So if your whole brand can live on one page, so think your link in bio type situation, but a lot more customizable, this is it for you. You are winning. This is what you want to go for. Well, that's it for this week's review. If you're looking for a landing page builder that won't drain your wallet and still makes you look like a pro, Card is your bet. But remember, with everything on GBRLife.com, along with the awesome, comfortable, cozy Mama Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBRLife in your life. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, comment below if you've used Card or you want to know any more details, and check out last week's review of Test Squared. Especially if you missed it, you don't want to miss out on that awesome potential to make $100 using an affiliate link. Believe me, go check it out right now. I'll see you all next week with another awesome tech review.